What's going on, everybody? Welcome to my channel. I am Corey Jackson. For those of you who don't know, this channel is all about family, fun, relationships, of course, sports, and lifestyle. All the things that I do, all the things that I enjoy. And so I appreciate you guys dropping in with me. Definitely sub to this channel. Hit the like button because we got something going on that I want you guys to see. So let's check it out. So today, I'm trying to teach my three boys, CJ, Cash, and Anshan, how to mentally be tough, right? Like how to mentally push themselves through tough times. And how I'm showing them this is we have this hill near our house and we're gonna run this hill, okay? And it's not a huge hill, humongous hill, but it is deceiving. It's definitely a little steeper than it looks, okay? So we're gonna get out there, mix it up a little bit, and then we're just gonna see what they're gonna do. We're gonna see if they're gonna be able to run this hill. We're gonna do 10 sprints. We're gonna see how they do, but the goal is to teach them mental toughness and how to fight through adversity. So check it out. Yep, so I got my boys with me. We about to hit this hill. We about to do it for 7 days straight. We about to see what they built like. They built to do it or not. We about to see. I'm gonna tell you that right now. They don't understand. The old man know what he doing. They better know what they doing. We about to hit this hill and it's about to be real. You feel me? 7 days straight, that's what we doing. Yeah, so we approaching the hill now. This is our hill. This is where we gonna be running. You know what I'm saying? So it don't look that steep from a distance, but it's definitely steeper than it looks. And so we about to find out if they built like they say they built. I'm from a different generation, man. Different generation, we do things differently. They about to find out right now what it is, you feel me? Let's go, man. Get on the line. Hey, put your water down, boy. You gonna run with no water in your hand? Come on, man. Put the golf ball down, man. Let's go. You hit my camera, you're gonna have a problem. All right, man. We sprinting up. Ready, set, go. Come on. Y'all better come on.
Water right here too.
Put it over there. Don't worry about it. Get on the line, let's go. We got 10. On me, go, sprint. We got 2, we got 8 more. Be quiet.
I'm a sack.
Now get on the line. Ready, set, go. There you go, look at it. Run it down. Be quiet. You got 7 more. Stop being soft. Be quiet. Y'all getting softer and softer. I don't care. I don't care.
There's a small piece of blood right there.
It don't matter.
You shouldn't have fell.
Stop being soft.
I don't care if it's blood.
Ready, set, go. Come on. Come on, let's hustle. Let's hustle. Be quiet.
He's done. He jumped on his
You
head.
can't do nothing.
Yes, I can.
You can't even go up the hill without falling.
Man, I can go in there. I can.
See, Cash, be quiet.
I can go in there.
You can't do
I
nothing.
can go all the way in there too, bro.
All you do is talk. I done told you about doing all that talking all the time. Stop all the talking and start working. I don't want to hear it. Either y'all gonna work or y'all gonna work.
Either way, y'all gonna work. Scoot over, CJ. Get out of my way. Move over. Once you get up the hill, ready, set, go. Get up the hill, CJ. Get up the hill, boy. Get up the hill. Come on. Come on. Y'all go down there and get y'all some water. Clearly y'all need some. Get on the line. We're at the halfway point. It's all downhill from here.
Have 4 more after
Be
this.
quiet. I can count. Ready, set, go. Get up the hill, CJ. Get up the hill, CJ. Come on up the hill. But we ain't doing all that talking. Where you at now, Cassie? Where you at now, Cassie? Look at that, falling down. That's where he is. Yeah, falling down. Yeah, falling down. We got 4 more. Roll some balls.
Can y'all see my footprint?
Nobody don't care about your footprint. Be quiet, Cassie. Nobody asked you to chime in.
Nobody asked you to chime in too.
You make it up the hill. CJ, get out my way.
Bro, come
Get out my space,
bro,
man.
I was there first. Bro.
Come on, get out my space now.
Alright, bro.
Move, boy.
Are you doing too much?
Okay, stay right there then. I ain't even playing.
Stop
Stay right there. Stay right there, boy. Ready, set, go. Come on, Anshon. Come on, Anshon. Come on, Anshon. Come on, CJ. Get up the hill. Get up the hill. Get up the hill. Let's go. Man up, boy. We only got 3 more. What you acting soft for? Nah, ain't that wrong with your knee? Ain't that wrong with your knee? It's your mouth. You keep talking.
I did it.
Sucker. Sucker, Cassie. Grow a pair. Grow a pair. Grow a pair, Cassie. Be quiet, you still talking. Grow a pair. Man, be quiet. We got 3 more. Let's go. Let's finish strong.
Everybody head start.
CJ, you be quiet. You ain't getting nobody head start. You start walking.
Yeah, but
Ain't no yeah, but.
every time
Ain't no buts in this conversation.
you are
Ain't no buts. Either we getting it done or we not.
you a jerk.
Period. That's all that matters. Move out my way, Anshon. Move over,
What
Cassie.
the heck are you
Be
watching?
quiet.
Why you even bring that
Move
stick
over.
out here?
Move over.
Why you even
Stop questioning everything and make it up the hill, son. Make
I
up the
did.
hill. Let's go. You walking. Here we go. Go. Come on. Get up the hill. Get up the hill. Get up the hill. There you go. Come on, Cassie. There you go, Cassie. Beat that sucker. Beat that sucker. 2 more. That's right, Anshon. You cheating yourself, boy. You cheating yourself, boy. Cheating yourself, boy.
Shut up.
You better get up the hill. Be quiet, Cassie. You barely made it. Yeah, you did go, CJ. Yeah, because you out of shape. That's why. Get out the dirt.
Get back in shape.
Come on.
Today.
You got 2 more.
I'm gonna do that. I can Sandman.
Man, get out the dirt. You ain't no Sandman. Move.
That Sandman was in that Spider-Man movie we were watching. Spider-Man 3. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna get fit. Yeah.
Stay out the dirt.
And that Sandman's face was in the
Hey,
Sandman.
I don't want to hear that. Finish.
Ow!
We got 2 more. Let's finish.
Dust me
I
again.
don't want to hear what y'all talking about.
I
Y'all gonna run. Y'all gonna run. What
trying
y'all
to-
coaching me for?
Try and dust me again, Cam.
Ready? Go. Come on. Hit the gas. Hit the gas. Hit the gas. on, Cash. You only got one more. Anshawn sniffing back there. Stop sniffing. Let's go, Anshawn. Sniffing, boy.
Dad, I thought he was ready.
Put it down. Let's go.
Dad, did you see
The last one.
that video?
Cash, be quiet. The last one. Y'all better finish strong. Acting like some suckers, Anshawn.
Yeah. Hey, stop spitting at people. That's rude.
Be quiet, Cash.
And you're calling people fat. And you're fat.
Last one.
Stop saying that. That's rude. And you're a fat man, nigga. But I need a break.
Make it up the hill.
Nigga, I need a break.
You don't need no drink. It's the last one. What you need a drink for? It's the last one, bruh.
I don't care.
Sucker move. Sucker move, brother.
Are you on
It's
your
the last
knees,
one.
Dad? Let's go.
Because I'm waiting on this sucker. I'm ready. I've been ready.
Let's go.
You got your butt cooped out for.
You had your butt kicked out too. I want to hear.
Trip.
Let's go.
Cash, you ready, boy? Swallow that one.
I already did.
Said go. Put your hands off me, TJ. Get up this hill. Get up this hill. Get up this hill. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, Anshawn. Finish. Come on. Grab it up, Anshawn. Let's go. Let's go, buddy. Come on. Come on, finish. Finish it. Finish it. Come on, man. Come on. Let's go. Go. Come on. Go. That's how you work. That's how you work. Forget all the talk about results, about work. That's all that matters. So be quiet. I'm talking about work, not talking. Anybody can talk. Everybody can't do it. That's why we out here.
Work it.
It's mental. It's for your mind.
Mental.
Be quiet, boy. It's for your mind. Get mentally strong. That's what it's about. Focus.
Bro, you kick him on water.
Come to work, baby. Not all that talking. Not all that talking, Cashy, CJ, Anshawn. This is what most people don't do, is work. Everybody talk, but most people don't work, bruh. This is where we at with it. Y'all grab y'all water. Grab my stick, CJ. Let's go. Your name ain't CJ. Grab the water bottle. Come on. Let's go. We come to work, period, Cashy. We don't come to play. We don't come to play.
Not gonna be better.
Grab the water bottle. Whoever brought it, grab it. Grab the water bottle. Grab the water bottle. Grab and break. Take what you brought. Good. That's good. Y'all gotta learn.
I'm hydrated.
Hey, y'all can't be soft in this world. Period. Ain't no space for no soft man in this world.
Yeah.
You gotta go get what you want.
Dad, come see my muscles.
You gotta get what you want.
Dad, see my muscles.
Yeah, I see your muscles. But make sure your muscle get right here. Make sure you get this muscle right.
Dad, look how
Make sure you get this muscle right. That's the main muscles, Anshawn. Anshawn, this your main muscle right here, CJ.
your computer.
Make sure that muscle right. Everything else gonna fall in place. You feel me? Man, we out, bro. We just got that work in. That's what me and my crew do, period. Let's get it.
So guys, as you can see, we're running this hill and all three of the boys have different experiences with this hill, right? Anshawn doesn't necessarily want to conquer the hill. He runs up the hill halfway, but then he has more fun running down the hill, right? And so I'm trying to get him to understand, like, son, you have to go all the way up to the top of the hill, right? Cash is doing pretty good, but he's definitely fighting mentally, trying to keep going through this process and get up the hill. But he's doing a pretty decent job. He's definitely working. And CJ. Now, CJ and I work out in the gym in the mornings. We go early in the mornings. We work out. And so he has somewhat of some conditioning down, but not to the level of where he should be. And so he struggles with his heel as well, but he keeps fighting. He fights through it. I think he stopped maybe once or twice, but for the most part, he kept going through it. But the goal is to really show them mental toughness. So I was pretty hard on them out there. I wanted them to really feel the elements and the tension and the stress. And so I wanted to help them feel that. And so I was really pretty tough on them out there. But for the most part, they all did great. We got the 7-day challenge. We run this hill for 7 days straight. And each day we're going to add a sprint to it. So we'll get up to 16 sprints. We started off with 10. And so we're just going to keep going and have fun with it. But I hope you guys enjoy watching us do what we do. This is kind of how we move as a family. My wife and I, we try to teach our kids through experiences. We try to give them situational things to do so that they can actually learn hands-on. And this is just part of the process. And so you guys tell me what you think. You know, do you think this is a good idea to kind of help them along this way, or should we do something different? You guys let us know what your thoughts are. And if you have any suggestions, we'll definitely take a look at it and maybe we'll add it to what we do next time. I'm Corey Jackson. Sub to this channel, hit that like button. Until next time, see you guys later.